Hello, my name is Juan David Cruz. I am 17 years old. I live in Puerto Sis, Putumayo. I study system engineering and UNAD. My friend team, I enjoy playing football. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I have breakfast and then I start my only class. In the afternoon, I study and do my homework sometimes. I play in football with my friends in the evening. I have dinner with my family, relax a a little, and go to bed around 10 o'clock. I choose imagine a, a in the picture tree is a group of people sitting around a table. A table. They are having a meeting. One woman is studying and speaking to the group.